Hi friends, how are you guys doing? Okay, today's video is very interesting. We all have heard that the RD350 sound is just like the superbike sound. So what we are going to do today is compare the Yamaha RD350's exhaust note or the sound with one of the superbike. So for a test, I will use Kawasaki Zx10R as a superbike. It does not have a stock exhaust. It has a Akrapovic long can exhaust with a Y pipe. So let's hear both the exhaust notes. Let's go. So hopefully friends, you enjoyed both the exhaust notes. Please do tell me in the comment sections if you feel the RD's exhaust note is similar to that of a superbike or maybe better. I personally feel exhaust note of RD is just visceral. Nothing comes close to it. Uh, Thank you so much for watching the video. Till next time, bye.